Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've pulled into a lay-by here up in the Peak District, but this video isn't about the Peak District. This video is about a product that was sent out to me for review. Now this is the UMEVO Note AI voice recorder, and I'm excited to learn more about this product. For example, I've been looking for a product to record business meeting notes and training notes. Now we've all been there, we've all been in the training room, sat in front of the slides, the projector, and the instructor is saying this is very important. You start to take your notes and then he skips the slide, moving on to something else. We've all done that and it's very frustrating. So is this product going to help us out with regards to them types of problems? We will talk about that more in a future video, but this video is more of an unboxing video and learning more about the product. Now, if we go on to the company's website, we will see that not only do they sell this product, but they also sell other products that are voice recorders. And the one that we've got is here and is currently on sale for £92, which is about 120 United States dollars, and it currently normally goes at £122, which would be about 146 United States dollars. So let's look at the one which we have got here in the hand. Okay, so we currently have this one. And let's go down and check out some of the features. Okay, so this one is currently on sale for 3 days, 10 hours and 39 minutes 54. So you can buy this for £92, okay? You get a 1 year free unlimited transcription. So currently for the first year, all your transcriptions, all your voice notes are translated into text, totally free for an entire year. After that, the company will charge you a small fee for X amount of translations. Now again, this says it can translate into 140, can I get this? 140 languages it can convert into text. Okay, so what else? It is powered by ChatGPT. Now we all know ChatGPT is very good. So it's got dual mode recording, one press switch to capture both in-person meetings and phone calls seamlessly. So this also comes with a magnetic mount, and that can connect to the back of your phone in order to capture your notes when you're on the phone and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. Now we all know that the voice recorders inside the phones tell the caller who we're on the phone to that the telephone call is being recorded. That is not the case if you're going to be using this, I would assume. Okay, but probably some parts of the US would have laws that prevent the recording of phone calls, etc. So I'm not a United States citizen, so I know nothing about that. I'm a UK citizen, United Kingdom. Okay, so it's got flagship performance. It's got 64 gigabytes of storage, 40 hours of continuous recording, and 60 days of standby. That is impressive. That really is impressive, okay? It's enterprise-grade security, fully compliant with SO2, HIPAA, and GDPR standards for total privacy. So I'd imagine that's data protection. It is universal compatible. Works perfectly with Apple, Samsung, Google, and other major Android brands. And it is currently limited time offer, includes an unlimited cloud storage. So that's unlimited. I'd imagine that's going to be for your first year. It's OTG adapter, so it comes with an adapter, OTG. It's got a magnetic ring, which allows you to attach, and a free magnetic case. So guys, we will be unboxing this, so we will find out. But yeah, let's move on. What else? What else is their website saying about this product? Okay, so here we go. It's coming down. It's AI smart transcription, private and secure, 40-hour battery, very generous. 40 euros, perfect. Translates 140 languages, okay? And as we can see, the sleek graphics. And, you know, guys, if you want to learn more about this product, just click the link in the description, go over to the website and learn more about it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to move on. Look at this. So it's got a 10-foot range. You see this? So this can record away from your record. It's got a 10-foot range. It's high definition audio, pure sound. Guys, simply just go to this website to learn more about it. I don't have to be the middleman to tell you about it. Don't be that lazy, okay? I've got enough things to do today without you guys being lazy and not wanting to learn more about these products. But yeah, free magnetic case included, which is pretty cool. I'm going to love that, I know I will. And yeah, enough of that. Let's start now unboxing this video. Start unboxing this and see what we get in it. Now, it's interesting to know that it's got these little tags at the back. So I'm simply going to rip them off. Let's see. Such satisfying to hear. There we go. Ripped off. And I think we can now start to open the box. Whoa, guys. That's so small. Look at that. Look how small that is. So for comparison, that is a Samsung mobile phone. That's a Samsung S24 side by side the Note Plus. That is so cool. Right, let me take, oh guys, I mean, so far, my first impressions is I'm in love with that. Look at that. Guys, look at that. Look how small it is. So let's take this protective wrapper off. Is this protective wrapper? Yeah, look at that. Take a sleeve off. Guys, look at that. That is so small. You see? So first impressions is very, very, very good on this. Now, what I'm just thinking, look at that. So guys, when you switch it on, look at this, it lights up red. Okay? So far, that is impressive in size. Nobody's going to know that. That's going to go in your shirt pocket. Look, this logo on my hoodie is just as big as it. So that's the shirt pocket. Nobody's going to see that in the training room or in the meeting. Right, moving on from that. So it looks like it comes with a power pack. Little tiny power pack. Let's see, you see here. Oh. Very bright, isn't it, in here? There we go, yeah. So you see the power pack? So let's open it up. I was going to rip it open. Yeah, there we go. It comes with this little cable. What else have we got here? Yep, very true, guys. True to the word. UMEVO is giving you a free magnetic case to use with the voice recorder. So, this was it. Yeah, look at this. Here we go, look at this. Take it, slide it in. Guys, so far I'm very impressed with this. And I mean, I am very impressed with this so far. So, let's leave that there. We get a little ring. Bring this out. Little magnetic ring to attach to it, so it can attach to your phone and stuff like that. But yeah, here we go. We've got some instructions. You see here? We've got some instructions on what to do. Okay? But guys, I got to say, for an unboxing video of this product, my first impressions is that this could be, there we go, 1 second, a little bit stiff in the case, So to get this side, yeah, you're gonna have to wear it in. So yeah. Oh, look at this. Yeah, now it's recording. But guys, I've got to learn about this. That little red light before, I may have been wrong about that, but look at that. You see the audio, that's me speaking. How cool is that? So, I don't know. I'm going to have to read the manual myself. I thought that was switched on, so I don't know because I've not read the manual. But first impressions of this product is that this is cool. I'm really liking it, but it depends what the final review of this product is going to say about it. But again, guys, look, you can go back on their website and you can learn more about this product. See, this is everything what I've now got in the case. Everything I've got on my dashboard, this is what I've just taken out of the box, and you've witnessed that in real time. So guys, yeah, check out the link in the description. Go over here and I will basically test this product. I ask you to be patient with me. Be patient. I'm a very busy man these days, so making these type of videos is very hard for me. But be patient. I will get a final review of this device on for you guys. But in the meantime, click the link, go over, visit their website and learn more about this product, okay? So you see an unboxing video. Wait for the review and I'll catch up with you guys in due course. Okay, thanks for watching the video. See you all soon.